It might be a little bit too light. Oh no.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Lizzie. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for stumbling upon my channel, and I hope you do subscribe, and yeah, welcome to the family, and I hope you join the family and everything. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey boy, what's up? How you guys been doing?
How you doing? How you doing?
Yeah. Welcome back. Anyway guys, so today's video, your girl, I'm gonna be trying out new makeup that I bought. So trying out new makeup products that I bought. I've been shopping. So yeah, I actually bought some makeup from JUVIA'S place. So I got their foundation, and this is in the shade 435, and then I also got their concealer. I got it in number 6, and I also got another concealer, and that is number 16. And then I'll come to this in a minute. And then I got their palette. So I got their their eyeshadow palette. Sorry guys, my ring light's like showing. But yeah, I got their eyeshadow palette as well. This is the Sharon 2 by JUVIA'S. So yeah. And then I also got this lipstick, this matte lipstick. Don't know if you guys can see that, from Mellow Cosmetics. And everything. I'll leave all the in the description box below. I'm gonna put all the links to everything. But for this, you can have, I'll leave a discount code down below as well for you guys for 15% off. Just make sure to click the link and everything. But yeah guys, so I'm gonna be trying that makeup and everything. And yeah, as you can tell, I've done my eyebrow off camera and everything, just because y'all know how I do my eyebrows. So first things first, I'm gonna prime my face with my Makeup Revolution Blur and Blur. By the way, if you guys see me looking this way, it's because, as you can see like the outline of the mirror. So it's because my mirror is this way. So yeah. How have you guys been? I would like to know. How have you guys been? If you guys have been okay, even in the midst of everything going on. I hope you guys have been fine and everything, and you guys have been supporting in the little way that you can. Yeah, how have you been? I missed you guys. Like, yes, I'm so glad to be back though. So glad. I've missed this, just sitting down and recording and chatting to you guys. Like, I've missed it. Okay. Yeah, so after I put on my, what was that? After I put on my primer, yes, Lizzie, after I put on my primer, I'm gonna actually put my concealer. So I'm gonna go in with their concealer. I would have used my concealer, the one that I use for my eyebrows, but I'm actually gonna use theirs because I'm gonna do my eyes shadow first. I'm trying to open it up, guys. So there it is. So this is the number 6 that I got, and I actually got this to do contour with, and look at that, that's actually big. That's massive. How many? I'm trying to look at the size. 12M. Oh, look at that. So I actually got this to do contour with. So that's shade 6, and then this one is in 16 to do highlight and stuff with. I might have gone too light, I don't know. Highlight and contour, and then I've got the, if it's gonna come out, guys, well, Lizzie, I don't know. Now I can't get the box to operate. There we go. So yeah, and I got their foundation, and it's like in this little tube, like kind of like hand cream and stuff like that, but that's cute. And that is in the shade, like I said, 435. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with this. I'm trying to open it because I'm trying and it's not opening.
Much later.
My gosh, I finally got it open. Like, why? Anyways, so guys, I'm gonna go in with this and use this to, it looks lighter outside, but actually that's the shade there. Okay, I think it's my light ring light that's actually making it lighter a little bit. So I'm just going to use that to actually prime. As you guys can tell, I've got hooded eyelids, so putting eyeshadow on is not easy because sometimes when I put it on you can't really see it because my eyes are hooded. So yeah, I'm gonna go into their palette. Guys, when I tell you that the packaging when they sent this was like, I had already removed it like from the box they sent it in. It was literally packed, like literally, just so everything does not get damaged. Anyways, so it's there. Look at that. Wow, that is so beautiful. My goodness. That is absolutely beautiful. And I'm actually going to use this to sort of do like my transition shade. This a little bit, just tap a little bit. Like, wow, that is showing instant. So we go back in and get a little bit more product, tap off. So guys, after putting on the transition shade, I'm gonna go in with my flat brush. So I'm just gonna go in with this flat brush right here, and then I'm gonna go into this shade right here. So this is actually called Taza and this is called Fizz, I believe. I don't know, I might not be pronouncing that right. And put that at the outer corner of my eyelids and just tap in. And I'm gonna take it above my crease, just because like I said, my eyes are hooded. So I'm just gonna, I have hooded eyelids, so I'm just gonna take it above my crease just so you can actually see the shade. Just do it to, you know, the intensity that you want. So guys, after doing that, you can see it's coming together a little bit. Don't worry, it's fine, it's all good. So yeah, as you can see, it's all sort of coming together. And I'm gonna go in with this brush here, and we're gonna go in with this. Ooh, trying to see what to put. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and this is called Marrakesh. So I'm gonna start in my hooded area first, and then gradually I'm just gonna take it just a little bit above my crease, just so you can see it a little bit more.
Just 1 second, guys.
Sorry guys, I just had a delivery come through. And get the transition shade here and use that to blend everything together and sort of thing, just so there's no ash lines and all of that. So just tap a little bit because we don't want it to be too much. So I'm gonna put the foundation on and I'm gonna be applying this. So first of all, gotta take it off. So I'm gonna be applying the foundation with my, I really do hope I got the right shade, because yeah, I sort of went based on, I mean, they have this little quiz to sort of match you, so this is what it matched me with. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it on my brush. And then we're just gonna, it might be a little bit too light. Oh no, here it's looking a little bit too light because of my ring light, but actually it's okay. So I'm just gonna tone down my ring light a little bit just so you guys can see that it's actually okay, but because of my ring light it's making it a little bit, look at that, that's actually, and that is good coverage as well. That is some good coverage. Guys, I finished putting the foundation on and everything, and that is, wow, definitely is giving me coverage. Definitely, I think I might have found my next favorite foundation. By the way, JUVIA'S base is black owned business and everything, so yeah, support black business, black owned business. But literally, wow, I think I might have found my favorite foundation. Anyways, so I'm gonna go in with the concealer in shade 16, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit, because looking at the foundation, I think I only need a little bit, because if I was to put loads on, I think I'll be in trouble. But guys, I am so impressed, like, yes. Like guys, when I say this, and it feels soft, it doesn't feel heavy on my face or anything like that, like amazing, just amazing. I'm gonna go into this shade and use it as my contour. After sort of blending that out and everything, I'm gonna go in with the same sponge and just use it for my nose. I'm not gonna put any more products in it. Anyways, I'm gonna set my concealer, my highlighting, with my Makeup Revolution Banana Deep. So after letting it bake for a few minutes, I'm just gonna get everything off. To bring the whole makeup together and everything, and then put my highlight, I'm just gonna go over it with my powder. Go in with my Makeup Revolution Highlight Reloaded, Time to Shine.
See the highlight pop in?
I'm gonna use my Spot Fix Cosmetic Lip Balm, Mellow Cosmetics matte lipstick, and this is in the shade New York. So it's called Matte Liquid Lip Paint in Mellow. Look at that, I love that shade. That actually looks cute. So let's see how it looks. I've got the lipstick on, and look at that, like, damn. I'm actually loving my makeup today, like, oh my gosh. So guys, the whole makeup is completed. Like, I can't. So my thoughts on everything just before I, you know, off and go. I love the lipstick. Like I've said, it's not heavy or anything. It doesn't feel matte. Like, you know how sometimes you wear lipstick and you feel that it's matte and you know it's matte. This doesn't feel heavy, and you don't, like, you wouldn't even feel that it's matte, but obviously it's matte. Same with everything I'm wearing. Like, their foundation is matte and it feels fantastic. It feels soft. It doesn't feel heavy and everything. So this is a yes from me. Like, I'm definitely feel like I've found my next favorite foundation. I'm definitely going to be going back into their store and getting some more stuff, so watch this space. And everything, like from their concealer and everything as well, like I used the shade 16 for my highlight and number 6 for my contour, and it works perfectly beautifully fine, and everything is perfect and all of that. I'm loving it. Everything comes together and everything looks good. But yeah, the whole look, like, guys, is absolutely amazing. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe, and also make sure to like and comment down below of any ideas, and if you bought anything from JUVIA'S place or anything like that and what you think of this makeup look, just let me know. I personally am loving it and all of that and everything. My eyeshadow is popping, everything popping, everything good, everything looking good and smooth and beautiful. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys.